Let's learn Move Like You Do. It's choreographed by Trevor Thornton and Jamie Marshall. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with a step change on wall 6 where you dance the last 16 counts of the dance. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about that step change, and then we're going to go through and do 6 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Move Like You Do. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do walks with knee pops. So you're going to step forward with your right and pop your left knee forward. Step forward with your left, pop your right knee forward. You're now going to step forward with your right. You're going to quickly make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and you're going to cross your right over your left. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot. And as you step forward with your left foot, you're going to roll your body down to the ground and then come back up. So we're going to start with our shoulder. You're going to roll it down, and then you're going to roll back up, putting your weight onto your right foot. We're now going to do step backs with hitches. So you're going to step back with your left and hit your right knee up. Step down onto your right, step back with your left and hit your right knee up. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your walks with pops. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do 2 walks back, stepping back right, left. We're then going to do a right coaster step, stepping right back, left together, right forward. You're now going to step forward with your left foot. You're going to make a quarter pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock. And you're going to do a crossing triple, crossing your left over your right foot to the side, cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left. You're facing 6 o'clock. You're going to do your walks back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, you're going to hop your right foot forward and slightly into the right diagonal and touch your left next to your right. You're now going to bump your left hip up and down. We're now going to do quick side hops, left and right. So you're going to quickly step to the left and touch your right. Quickly step to the right and touch your left. You're now going to rock your left foot to the left side. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder as you recover onto your right foot to face 12 o'clock. And then we're going to do a left toe strut. And if you would like to add hip bumps onto that toe strut, you can. The regular toe strut would be left toe forward. Drop your left heel, taking weight onto your left foot. If you would like to add those hip bumps, when you touch your left toe forward, you're going to bump your hip left, right, and then bump your hip left as you step down onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our crossing triple. You're going to do your hop into the diagonal. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to make a quarter turn and triple forward with our right foot. So we're going to make that quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot to face 3 o'clock. Step your left foot next to your right and step forward with your right. You're now going to step out, left, right. Step your left foot out, right foot out. You're about shoulder width apart. We're now going to swivel both toes in towards the center, both heels in towards the center, and then you're going to bring both toes in so they are parallel and facing the front. We're now going to do a hip roll counterclockwise, bringing your hips around from left, around to the back, to the right, and then putting your weight onto your left foot, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our toe strut. You're going to do your quarter triple. 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And weight is on your left foot, and you're ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're stepping forward with your knee pop. So it's step, pop, step, quarter, cross, quarter, roll, recover, back, hitch, walk back, right coaster, step, quarter pivot, crossing triple, and hop, bump, hip, step, hop, step, touch, rock, quarter, recover, toe, strut, quarter, triple, stomp, out, toes, heels, toes, and your hip roll. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your walk forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, you will do 5 full rotations of the dance, or 5 walls. So when we finish our front wall for the second time, you'll be facing the side. This is where the music is going to jump to that M-O-V-E, like you would for most of the dance be doing that hop. So we're gonna leave off the first 16 counts of the dance. So after you do your stomp, stomp, toe, heel, toe, roll, we're going to go to the last 16 counts of the dance, which is your section 3, which is your hop with your hip bump. So we're gonna go hop to the right diagonal and step, bump your hip, side touch, side rock, quarter recover, toe strut, quarter triple step, stomp out, out, toes, heels, toes, and your hip roll. And then you'll dance the rest of the dance on from the 9 o'clock facing wall. That will become your wall 7. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 6 walls so that you can practice that step change that happens on wall 6. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walks and pops. So it's step, pop, pop, step, quarter, cross, quarter, roll, quarter, recover, back, hitch, walk back, back, coaster, step, step, quarter, pivot, crossing triple, step, hop and touch with your hip, side touch, side rock, quarter, recover, now your toe strut, quarter, triple forward, stomp out, out, toes, heels, toes, and roll your hips. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Step, pop, step, quarter, cross, quarter, roll, recover, back, hitch, walk back, back, coaster, step, step, quarter, pivot, crossing triple, hop and touch with your hip bump, side touch, side rock, quarter, recover, toe strut, quarter, triple, stomp out, out, toes, heels, toes, hip roll. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. This is wall 5. You're going to dance the full thing. Right away at the end of that, you're going to hop to the last 16 counts, which is your hop into the right diagonal. So it's knee pop, step, quarter, cross, quarter, roll, recover, back, hitch, walk back, back, coaster, step, step, quarter, pivot, crossing triple, diagonal hop, touch, hip, side touch, side rock, quarter, recover with your toe strut, quarter, triple forward, stomp out, out, toe, heel, toe, roll your hip, now your hop, right touch, now bump and touch, side rock, quarter, recover, toe, strut, quarter, triple, stomp out, out, toes, heels, toes, in your hip roll. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice as much as you would like. So you can go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Move Like You Do. If you have any questions, let me know.
Stomp your feet, it's like you've been waiting on me.